Encountered an FJK file and unable to determine what it contains? This is an encrypted data file from the FreeJack application requiring specific tools to decrypt. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing and working with these FreeJack encrypted files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the FJK format. Details below. A FJK file is a user's personal file, e.g., a document or photo, that has been encrypted and renamed by the FJK ransomware, a variant of the Djvu malware family. Users encounter this extension after a malware attack, finding their files inaccessible and accompanied by a ransom note demanding payment. The file's original binary structure is overwritten or encapsulated by a strong encryption algorithm like AES or Salsa 20. The ransomware appends the FJK extension to the original file name. This design is purely malicious, intended to make the data unreadable without the unique decryption key held by the attackers. The most trusted opener for the FJK file is consistently none malware from unknown. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows may identify the file type, but only decryption software can reveal the contents. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your FJK file and choose Open With. Test none malware if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If your FJK file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, opening with FreeJack. Install the FreeJack application and use its built-in decryption feature to open the FJK file. Provide the password or decryption key associated with the file. Upon successful authentication, FreeJack decrypts the content and displays the original data in its appropriate viewer or editor interface. Next, recovering lost passwords. If you've forgotten the password, contact FreeJack's support team for recovery options if available. Some encryption implementations include password recovery mechanisms through security questions or backup keys. Without proper credentials, the encrypted contents typically cannot be recovered due to the strength of modern encryption. Finally, converting to standard formats. Once decrypted in FreeJack, export the contents to standard unencrypted formats for broader compatibility. Use File, then Export or Save. As to convert the data to common formats like PDF, docx, or TXT, depending on the original content type for use in other applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.